Hello everybody, my name is Carolina Quintana. I am a student at the University UNAD. In this moment we are talking about my introduce the lesson in International Phonics Alphabet. So for the course English Phonics and for the tutor Jennifer Vanessa Murci. Yes? And we are present the consonant sounds. The first consonant sound is P. It's a P. It's a pick. It's a put. Yes. The next letter is B. It's a boat. It's a pick. It's a box. The next consonant letter is T. It's a T. It's a toe. It's a time. The next consonant sounds is D. It's a dog. It's a dash. It's a dime. The next consonant sound is Sh. It's a cheese. It's a choose. It's a china. The next consonant sound is Jean. Jean is a juice. It's a John. The next consonant sound is K. It's a car, coat, dog. The next consonant sound is G. It's a go. It's a green. It's a god. The next consonant sound is F. It's a fly. It's a fish. It's a fan. The next consonant sound is V. It's a video. It's a vision. It's a van. The next consonant sound is a It's a think, it's a three, it's a with. The next consonant sound is V. It's a this, it's a that, it's a they. The next consonant is S. It's a si, it's a si, it's a soon. The next consonant sound is Z. It's a zoo, soon, sip. The next consonant sound is sh. It's a show. It's a chop. It's a shoot. The next consonant sound is j. Television is a situation. The next consonant sound is m. It's a man. It's a money. It's a mon. The next consonant sound is n. It's a now, it's a nobody, it's a can. The next consonant sound is n. It's a sing, it's a drink, it's a tango. The next consonant sound is h. It's a hat, it's a house, it's a home. The next letter is l. It's a love, it's a coal, it's a lips. The next consonant sound is r. It's a red, it's a room, it's a rose. The next letter is w. It's a wet, it's a y, it's a window. The fifth letter is j. It's a yes, it's a just, it's a yellow. Finish. Thank you so much. Bye. Carolina Quintana Terra. Thanks so much.